Hi there, my name is Nicole Vinson and I'm an attorney at the Stockham Law Group. My advocacy is for policyholders who have claims that have been denied, underpaid, or mishandled for catastrophic and damage to property with their own insurance company. These are often referred to as first-party claims. My clients sue their insurance company to recover their benefits for their policy of insurance that they bought for their home or business. And today I want to go ahead and talk about what would a policyholder do if they're wanting to sue their insurance company for a delayed or denied claim and they're finding this video online to understand what can they be doing. You're looking at hiring a lawyer and maybe you're just not to that step yet, but you're aggravated to the point where you're ready to sue your insurance company. You're angry, you feel that this is warranted, that you're going to have to litigate the case. So here are some things that I would do as the homeowner, as the business owner, if you're to the point where this is happening in your own claim. Number one is to understand as much as you can about your policy of insurance. The policy of insurance is going to govern this. Oftentimes, policyholders think that they have the document that the insurance company has to follow, when in fact they only have a renewal, an abbreviated declarations page, and they don't have the full policy. You need to understand as much as possible about your full insurance policy. I usually tell a residential client that's going to be about 40 to 60 pages. If you don't have it, you can get it from your agent, and there's videos that we've provided to give you assistance on that. So number one is understanding as much as you can about your coverage. Number two is understanding as much as you can about the peril and what happened to your property, relating it to the date of loss and documenting that damage. So it's going to be a little bit dependent on what type of claim you have, but making sure that you gather and document all that information from the original discovery and the original problem that came up so that that can be used in your court case if you want to sue your insurance company. And number three is to make sure you're organized in having all of that information outlined with timelines, photographs, making the file as if you were your own paralegal so that when you do hire help, it's in an organized manner that you can hand over and it's not a stressful problem trying to gather all that information up. Make the timeline now. Take the photos now. Have the videos now so that you can provide that in an organized manner and it can be used in your case. So to recap, you're going to want to immediately take as much information as you can about your claim and understand it. Number two, you're going to review everything within that insurance policy. Number three, you're going to organize your documents so that you have it at your fingertips so that you or others can advocate on your behalf. Thank you so much, and if there's something you want to discuss with us about your own claim when you're on the cusp of getting ready to litigate, these are the types of issues that we look at for insureds with their claims against their own insurance companies. Thank you.